Rice canning machine SYP35100 35100 for rectangular shape 30, 35 and 100. Titanium Coated Moulds and CE for Bulgaria. Okay. Very nice. Temperature 260 and speed 4.7, thickness 4.5, and depth of core is 3.0 as a first second. And pressure 140. After check was pressure gauge, we had better close pressure gauge too long. Let us work in here. Alright. Okay, 3 cylinder valves. Provide the electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the cylinder movement. It's a standard cylinder with the pressure support valve behind it, below, and motor and pump. Fan must be on all the time when the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice mix. It's a feeding plate. So when the feeding plate goes forward to supply the rice on the mold, that presents a red light is turn off. Go forward, turn off, and come back to the end, it's turn on again. Otherwise cannot go to the next step. Let's drive button and gear head for the feeding plate movement. Let's upgrade the oil valve, checker valve and leaf valve. Leaf valve is related with the pressure control. Inside the related wrench, counterclockwise increase pressure, unclockwise decrease pressure. Motor and oil tank again. Alright, and switch box here. Easy access and very convenient adjustments. And the console box is inverter 6000 and relays on PCB and SSR and breaker here, contactor PCB and oil tank hydraulic oil can recharge inside. Oh, 잘 나오네. Very nice. Very nice. Very much. 네, 알겠습니다.